Hi folks, Mark Reeves with Pavement Group. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to show you a nice sample of the type of quality pavement equipment that you can find at Pavement Group. Besides a nice wide variety of used paving equipment, we also have a great selection of used paving equipment. We also have certified pre-owned equipment that is, it's going to give you all the confidence you need so that you know when it shows up at your place, it's ready to go. Everything's certified pre-owned, comes with a 90-day parts warranty, and it's going to be headache-free. So come on, we'll give you a quick sampling of some of our equipment. We sell a lot of crack sealing kettles, so we have kettles from Simline and Craftco. We'll have kettles as new as 2017-18 models, all the way back to the very late 90s. So depending on what your budget is, we can fit you with what you need. You'll find that we've got seal coating equipment. Usually we have seal coat trailers from Neil and Neil Co. and others. This is a Neil 550 on a GMC truck. Occasionally we'll have that type of a unit available as well. Our specialty from the early days back in the late 90s was asphalt recycling equipment. So we tend to have asphalt recyclers like the Step recyclers, the Begella recyclers, popular models like the BA 7000 and the BA 10000. I should mention we also manufacture a line of recyclers called the Ameripatcher. So make sure to tune into our website, look for the asphalt recycler page, and you'll learn all about our skid steer mounted asphalt recyclers, the Ameripatcher. Made in America, we're very proud of that. We sell lots of different infrared units, the trailer mounted, truck mounted by Cassie, Raytec, KM, and others. You'll often find that we've got a variety of different makes and models, but also different years. So this, for instance, is a 2017, 2018 model, right in that wheelhouse. We will have units that are a lot older. We'll have some older Raytecs, and we'll even have some Power Ray units that are in really good running condition. The Stratos distributor trailer is used for spraying about 35 different emulsions, and it can be used for chip sealing, foundation spraying, and even seal coating. This is one of the products that we produce. It's our own brand of asphalt distributors. You can buy these truck mounted or trailer mounted, and it can also be mounted on a flatbed truck as well. We'll have tack coat trailers by Lee Boy and others. As you see here, I'll step on this side. We have other crack sealing kettles by Craftco and Simline, and we always have a nice variety of hot boxes throughout the year. So here you'll see we've got a couple of Falcon boxes. There's probably 6, 7 others that we have in the lot, dump style boxes, as well as the shovel out style. So again, the idea is to always have pavement equipment that's going to fit your budget. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or you'd like to buy paving equipment and you need it right away, Pavement Group is really the place to go. We'll help you out. Thank you.